Step number 1. Choose your server. Choose the model that you need in the left drop-down list. Then, put the quantity that you need. Step number 2. Choose your processor. Remember that the base server models already wears 2 base processors in the lot. But if you need an upgrade, you can do it. Just choose your model and select minimum 2 units for each server. Step number 3. Up or downgrade the RAM. Select the product that you want to modify. Put the RAM that this model wears. Then put the RAM that you want. In this case, I'm gonna put 74 for example. The last step is to specify the kind of RAM that this server wears. If you want to downgrade, just put the RAM that you need and specify downgrade. Step number 4. Add hard drives to your order. Choose the capacity that you need inside the form factor of the hard drive. Then, put the quantity that you need. Step number 5. Add Caddies to your order. Inside the form factor, choose the model that you need and then put the quantity. Step number 6. Choose your connectivity. Select if you want fiber or copper and then specify the quantity that you need. Step number 7. Do you need rails? If you need them, select the model that matches with your server form factor. Then, put the quantity that you need. Step number 8. Write controller upgrade. This only works for R720 and 620. To end, please fill the contact details with your name, telephone number and email. Then send this file to customers at Give1Life.com. If you need help or you have any question, you can visit our website and go to the contact button. Fill the form below and we're going to contact you in the fastest way.